Hello guys, welcome to Droid Crunch and I'm Lakesh Kapoor, and in this video we are going to see how you can use Unwrap widget of dynamic.ooo plugin. So it's very convenient if you are using Elementor and you don't want to use a couple of elements or say wrapper elements that are provided by Elementor so that your performance can be increased. So we will see next time when you can use it, how you can use it, and is it advisable to use or not, and what are the consequences of using it, and everything about it. So if you have not downloaded the dynamic plugin, you can check out the link in description. So if you buy from link, I will get some commission and you will get 10% off flat discount. Okay, so if you have not, you can check out the link, and if you have, you can continue, or you can watch this video and then you can later on think about it. So for now I have this page and I have added on Elementor right here. So let me just drag and drop few widgets so that I can show you the unwrapping. So text widget, image widget, and probably post widget. Okay, so I will be using query, pagination, layout, columns are 3. Okay, and posts we can say 3. Okay, it's enough, I guess. We can select image, this one. So far so good. Let's update it. We can also make it center. Now let's update it. You can see its speed. So this is our page, this one. We can test it here. Okay, and now we can preview it. Control Shift N for the incognito. Okay, so that we have this page. So this is the old page without unwrap. Perfect. I can say unwrap. Okay, so you can see when you inspect that all these wrappers are there. So this is our heading widget, but it's wrapped pretty well. So this is our row, and inside it we have this. Okay, when you click on this image widget, it's right there. Okay, and this is our text widget. Write something here. Okay, add your heading text here, and this is image. So basically you have a lot of wrappers, right, when you don't have this unwrap. So that's why when you see the speed, it's not that impressive, but it is pretty much impressive for me, I guess. But we will see in action how we can improve it more. So this was old speed, right? We can say it at new group, old speed. Okay, so we have this old speed now, and now let's do some adjustments. What we can do, we can just click on this advanced tab. First of all, go to section. Here's the unwrap tab where you can unwrap the elements and try to force the element style. It's basically under your control. So this is a section, and this has to be in one section, everything, to be honest. Okay, so now that's why we had like many sections, because this was a different section and this was a different section, right? Okay, so we had two sections are there. Okay, but now we have one, and we can unwrap them. Let's unwrap it. The heading widget is unwrapped. This image widget, we can also unwrap it. Then we have this post widget, we can also unwrap this one. Perfect. The change can be seen on the preview, so you can just copy this and paste it. Add to a new group. We can say unwrapped, and this was wrapped. Okay, so this is unwrapped. Now we can check its speed. This was the old speed, and this is our new speed, so that you can see it clearly. By the time it's loading, I can show you the results. So here you can see this is our heading widget. Just underneath it we have image widget, and just underneath it we have this post widget, side by side. Perfect. And that's our container, kind of Elementor widget wrap. So if you want to make all of them align center, then you can just what you can do, you can, let me just zoom in, you can add it like this, all the tag childs, and you can say text align center and width 100%. So it's a little bit like that, isn't it? You will definitely need more changes in terms of CSS, but that would not be much, I guess, and the results would be little bit impressive. So we can just do one more time. I haven't seen any big change, but when you use video widget, you are using map widget, you are using many DOM elements, and your page is full of elements, widgets, then you will see a drastic change in the performance for sure. Oh my god, it's decreased now. So what you saw, the result is just in your eyes, that if the page is having a lot of widgets, only then you should go with this unwrap. Otherwise it will do nothing but impact your page styling and everything, because if you are using unwrap element, you will not be able to use any styling at all pretty well using the Elementor widget. You can lost with all the JavaScript and styling stuff, and the impact would be very less. But if a page is having a lot of elements, then you can definitely go with it, but you will need to go with precision. You may need to add more elements and all. You can not use when you use wrap, you cannot use custom CSS selector. You will need to do a lot of stuff so as to get the right adjustments in styling. So that's what I would recommend, is just if you are using heavy widgets, that is calling a lot of wrappers, then you should do this unwrap for few elements that you want, that is you think is taking a lot of resources in terms of wrappers. Otherwise you can go with the flow. Okay, and yeah, that is all for it. You can see some changes, these are very minimal. Okay, layout shift has been improved. There are 5 elements here, but now it's 3, and little bit changes are there, but these are not much, I guess. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay healthy, stay strong. Bye bye.